Do you have a Bowflex treadmill that when you lift this handle, it doesn't come down? No, I've already fixed it, so I gotta simulate it. If this is a problem on your Bowflex, watch this video and I'll show you how within about 10 minutes you can have it working again like this. 7 screws need to come up along the side, but luckily enough, when you tilt this all the way up, that one becomes available. So just have to push it up and you can get at that one quite nicely. So now that you got all these screws out on the side, you need to remove this cover here. There's a screw right behind this red thing here, right behind the red Bowflex emblem. So you just need to peel that back and then that screw will come out. Now that you got the side piece off, you gotta take off this screw here, the one there, and these end piece screws are a little longer than these ones here. So you gotta kind of pay attention to that, just so you don't get them mixed up. Okay, so now you want to take these wheels off. So it's just a matter of holding your Allen key in here and then loosening that locking nut. Now that you have the wheels off, you can take this plate off, and to do that you're going to need to take off this screw here and here, then these ones here, and 2 on this side as well. They're all the same size, so you're good to go. So now that you've got it open, you need to tighten these cables. They're going to be loose. I actually just tightened them. I totally didn't think of doing a video for you guys, so this is actually the first clip I'm recording. So what you do, the easiest way to do this, much like a bicycle brake, you can adjust these down here. There, on this side as well. There you see they're adjustable. Once you have it, that it's not really tight, but a little bit of wiggle room there, that's going to be a nice tension right there. If you look here, this here has run up against the belt and the roller here, so that can definitely wear my treadmill out, so I'm going to trim that off. So when you put this plate on, just make sure that these tabs line up. Right, there's a tab on the top plate that goes behind these pieces here. So just make sure they line up nice. Make sure your holes are lined up here, right there, and along here too. When you've got that, then you can screw them back on. Now that you have the back cover back on and the screws all tight, so once again that's these 2 here on each side, these ones down here. Now it's time to put the wheel back on. Alright, now at this point in time, we're going to lift this up. I'm going to put this bolt in here on both sides. This one here too. So you can actually see that one's still there. Now what we can do is we can put these ones back on. This one here. This one here. To line up this side trim here. So line it up there. Get that little screw in there. And then button up the side pieces. Alright, now we're all done. Lift that up and there it goes. Works again. And now we can enjoy our treadmill again. So if this video helped, maybe subscribe. Maybe I'll have another video at some point in time that'll help you out. Thanks for watching.